Now let's go to the table and fill it out. Hey kids, Pandabood is ready and excited to explore science with you. Today, we're exploring another form of energy, which is heat. But before we talk about heat, we must learn about temperature. Temperature is a property of materials that describes how hot or cold something is. High temperatures mean something is hot. Low temperatures mean something is cold. How can objects have different temperatures? Here comes heat. Heat is the energy that flows from hot to cold objects. If you want to make something hotter, you need to heat it and give it energy. Cooling down, on the other hand, means taking or removing the heat. Understanding how heat flows helps us understand how things heat up and cool down around us. This knowledge helps us choose materials for our houses and clothing in different weather conditions. It also explains why kitchen items are made the way they are. For example, some materials are good at conducting heat. These are called conductors. Examples are metals and glass. That's why the parts we use to cook food and touch the stove always made of metal. But the handles are insulators, which are the materials that don't conduct heat, such as plastic, wood, and rubber. Now let's explore this game to learn more about conductors and insulators. Which of these materials would be the best insulator? Metal foil, polystyrene, or cardboard? I think it's not the metal foil because it's a good conductor of heat. What about cardboard? Oops, cardboard is an insulator, yes, but it's not the best insulator. The best one is polystyrene as it doesn't let heat pass easily. Next, in this experiment, we want to test the three materials to see how fast they let heat flow. First, we will try without using any material. As you notice, the temperature goes down quickly to equal the room temperature, and it just takes 10 minutes. Even if we wait longer, it can't go lower than 18 degrees Celsius. Now let's go to the table and fill it out. Now it's the time to try polystyrene. Since you know polystyrene is a great insulator, you would expect it to take more time for the temperature to go down because heat doesn't flow easily. Let's see. Your guess was correct. When we use polystyrene, we need almost 60 minutes to reach the room temperature. Can you try this game and test the metal foil and the cardboard? See how the temperature changes every 10 minutes and record the result in the table. Do you know how heat changes the state of matter? Visit our earlier video about changes of states to find out. Stay tuned, more and more videos are coming soon. It's me, Pandabood.